Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we are learning daily used English sentences. Believe me, what do you want? It's okay. What's the weather like? Call me back. It really takes time. What is going on? As soon as possible. Where are you going? It's for the best. Give me a hand. When is the train leaving? No, I don't want. I do not understand. It's all good. See you. How can I go to the town center? I do not mean it. See you next time. Is everything okay? How much is it? What are you going? So I do. How old are you? Where are you from? I decline. How was your weekend? Absolutely not. I just made it. I agree. I have no idea. What did you say? Enjoy yourself. What do you need? What's your email address? What is your job? What do you think? Follow me. What's your name? I'm at home. What do you want to do? God bless you. It's on the tip of. Sorry, I can't do that. My tongue. What's your phone number? It's very thoughtful of you. Hope you like this video. Subscribe Ibrahim TV channel for more English videos. We'll meet in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.